All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Vaiot update. In my opinion, Vaiot is one of those 100x gems. So for me, it's one that I'm definitely grabbing. I haven't grabbed it as of yet because I've been waiting for this key level to be lost, as we were printing bearish patterns, and we've been talking about these patterns in the last few updates. So in the last couple of updates or over here on Vaiot, we've been suggesting that we're trapped between this range low and this range high, and it's quite a large range, guys, because from the lowest wick to the highest wick, that's a 250+% move. So you could triple your money within this range. It's incredible. But again, we were seeing that we had a small double bottom here, but it needed to break the neckline. Without doing so, the pattern's not valid, and we can see this became a right shoulder over here. And luckily enough for you guys, I left these fibs off on the chart for you in case this key level or range low were to be lost. We've got these levels of support already prepared for you guys, and we got this from measuring from the low of this pump that began at the end of last year to the top, which was about the beginning of February, the end of the first week of February. So we can see that this range low has now been lost. We lost the wick about a week ago, but we were holding above this low over here. You can see it was somewhat of a resistance in the past. It was a double bottom neckline, but we never broke above the neckline, so we continued lower. So the same thing over here on the right, this just happened now, double bottom neckline. In actual fact, guys, I also said on the channel that this is actually a double top. If you do remember, check out my last Vaiot video. I'll link it at the end of this if you haven't watched it already. But we can see that the 200 EMA is lost. We're below all of the moving averages, so this just signals downtrend continuation. Now we need to find where this is going to head to. So with this shoulder, head and shoulder, there is a patterned target out of this. So I'm going to pull out the more conservative one. The more aggressive one would just add another 4 cents. So just if you want to do that, just add another 4 cents. But I'm going to take it from the conservative back down to the green line, the beginning of it, and then right there. Once we had lost it as support, oh, my apologies, let me actually drag this. Perfect. So we can see that the target itself is between the 0.5 and the 0.618. This is interesting because usually this is where we retrace to anyway. After such a crazy rally, we need to come back down. It needs to be gruesome, it needs to be long, and it needs to be prolonged, and it just needs to alienate us from the feeling of going up. It wants us to think, oh, this is only going down. Of course, at the moment we see that it is, but this is the feelings that they want us to have until we're at the right location. So it's going to be very nasty if we're getting down to here. It's going to look absolutely disgusting, big red lines going downwards. But the Fibonacci is actually where most of the buying will be. It doesn't mean that long term we will have this crazy bounce and break above the high, but there will be at least a bounce from here short term. I would like to see new highs, but I would need to reclaim of the head and shoulders neckline. So even if we get down here, any bounce would just continue lower. This is why this is because we're seeing a lot of weakness in Bitcoin, and a lot of people are talking about a 24 to 25k Bitcoin price. But if you check out today's Bitcoin update, which I'll link at the end of this video, there are actual potential targets as low as 21.3, 21.5k. So we need to really be careful. That would be a further 5k dump on Bitcoin from already its current price at about 26, 27k. So very nasty if that happens going forward. There are some key supports before, like 24, 25k. That could be when we get down here. Bitcoin bounces, everything bounces, but eventually if Bitcoin starts losing 24 and 25k around here, we're going to be coming back down to our low of last year. So of course, it depends on the person. Like if you want cheaper Vaiot, like me personally, I don't really have any. I don't have one single Vaiot. So if we were to get down to these prices, I'm going to be loving life. But of course, for holders out here, you might have a different opinion. You might just want Vaiot to go up. But there's also those holders out there that are holding this going down, but also happy that they'll be able to get these prices that they missed out on at the end of last year. So let me know what you personally think is going to happen going forward. Will we just get down here and bottom out out and actually head up to new highs. I would love that to be the case, but I'm not going to sit here and just ignore what is staring right in front of me, the neckline of the head and shoulders. I believe that any bounce from here needs to actually reclaim this level, otherwise we could be continuing lower. So hopefully I've prepared you guys for what's to come going forward. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and I'm going to bring you over to my link tree, which you can find all the links that you want to use to join my community or join the teachings through the link tree in the description or the comment section below. So click that Twitter link if you want more information, and just private message me. It's actually easier to take action through here, but you can just simply click on one of these two links. I'll bring you over to the Discord group chat first. It is £20, but if you're a past student of mine, if you take action on the course or the mentorship, this permanently becomes £10 for you. You're going to be in my chat where I do weekly group calls, and in these calls I will be able to share my personal trades. I also share my personal trades in the chat, but again, none of this is investment or financial, or it's not even signals, guys. None of this is advice, so it's just what I'm personally doing. I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing. You guys can do what you want with that information. We were trading a lot of meme coins over the last 2 weeks or so, and from the investments, from the trades, we did over 1000%. Even just the trades alone, the leverage trades, were over 250 to 300%, all in the group chat. So there were many people in the group chat that didn't want to buy memes, and that's totally fine, because my group chat is not a signals group chat. It's not an investment advice, or nothing's financial advice in there. It's just what I'm personally doing, and probably most of the people didn't buy meme coins, but most of them were trading them, and that's beautiful because of the volatility. So if you want to be part of the Discord community, where you're going to get weekly group mentorship calls. So if you're a person watching these videos and were thinking of doing the mentorship or the course, you can even have a feel for it, because there's going to be weekly group mentorship calls. But if you want it personalized to you, one-to-one, just me and you, I do have things in place for you guys. There are other membership levels, but if you want to take action on the course or the mentorship, then here it is. The course is 6 hours long with 30 plus videos teaching you from zero knowledge completely into a self-sufficient trader. Don't even worry if your English is not that good as well, because it is really slow paced, and you can just stay on that same topic until you're ready to move on. You're going to have this for life. You're also going to get my Discord community free for 3 months, and all in that price. And then after that 3 months is done, you can either leave, or you can decide I want to stay on, and then you're going to get it at that 50% discount. I've got half a plan over here for 300. You get the free chat for 3 months, but I've got the full plan here, which will include my actual course for free. So you'll get that 6 hour long free course, 35 plus videos, and that will be yours for life. But you will need to do these 10 sessions like once a week, or once every 2 weeks. You have 10 of them, 10 hours of one-to-one help with me, as well as getting that free Discord group chat for 3 months. And then you can decide, oh, I liked it, I'm going to stay on. I didn't like it, I'm not going to stay on. It's completely down to you. You can leave, you can join back, whatever. If you're a past student, you'll get it at that £10 per month discounted rate. So all the links that you need to take action, whether that's to join the membership or to take action on the course or the mentorship, over here on my link tree pinned in the comment section and description down below. You either click the membership or the course and mentorship. You can even check out just 1 hour session if you just want to try it out, or you can join my Discord community and you can get the group calls to see how it is. Otherwise, message me on my Twitter for more information, or whether you want to take action through my Twitter, just hit that link. Make sure you're following me at Louis_crypto, and you can private message me over here, guys. We've been posting a lot of updates today. Here is a free trade on Gala that I gave in my Gala videos, and this is why you need to be subscribed to the channel, because this was given for free in the Gala update, and this is what I'm also posting in my community chart patterns guides, and it's for you to decide what you want to do with them. If you learn everything from my course and my mentorship, you'll be very confident in taking these positions. Otherwise, you might need a helping hand by joining my community. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.